Ritu, a naturopath and yoga expert. I am Chief Consultant at Saksham Yoga and Naturopathy Treatment cum Research Center. So, if you are looking for a transformation, a new you, I am with you.
शरीर पंच महाभूता या पंच तत्व से बना है, 5 एलिमेंट्स. नेचुरोपैथी साइंस में कहा गया अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कि ये एक जीवन जीने की पद्धति है. आप कैसे स्वस्थ रहें. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज, इसकी जो फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल है कि ये आपको एक स्वस्थ जीवन पद्धति या शैली के बारे में बताता है. अगर आप उस शैली से दूर हो जाए, इफ़ यू आर अवे फ्रॉम अ हेल्दी लाइफ स्टाइल एंड देर आर लॉट ऑफ लाइफ स्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशंस लाइक irregular sleeping habits, irregular eating habits, change in your sleep patterns, no exercise, sedentary lifestyle, then you end up into various diseases which is away from a natural lifestyle. Then the role of the naturopathy treatment comes into play. उसमें 5 तत्व हैं, तो 5 तत्वों से जुड़ी हुई सारी ट्रीटमेंट पद्धति हैं, ट्रीटमेंट मोडालिटीज़ हैं. मड थेरेपी, हाइड्रोथेरेपी, फायर सन बेस्ड थेरेपीज, स्पेस फास्टिंग थेरेपी, एयर वेरियस प्राणायाmas and air based therapy. Naturopathy science says our body is not only physical body. Physical body has pran, vital energy to make it alive. So a very important treatment in naturopathy which works on the energy level is acupuncture. Like this model, it is shown there are various channels through which an energy travels inside our body. Like we have blood vessels, we have nervous system, we have energy meridians. They are called as meridians or channels. So the treatment, acupuncture treatment, works above physical level. It treats the vital energy in our body and helps in various disorders.
Eat healthy, be happy. Friends, it's not about the quantity, it is about the quality of the food. You can have a huge meal and then also you can be healthy and happy. आहार ही औषधि है दोस्तों. या तो आहार को हम औषधि की तरह खाएं, नहीं तो एक दिन दूर नहीं जब हमें औषधि को आहार की तरह खाना पड़ेगा. A simple example is diabetes. You know, friends, you have to take medicine, then food, then again medicine, then food. So better you enjoy your life with a quality food and a quality life. So how to live a quality life, friends? For that, Saksham, a one step ahead. You have to come here and just see the magic of nature.